welcome to Beauty Infinite. So if you guys are watching this video, then it is already like a new year, like 2017, because that is when I have decided to post this video. Now this is the first video of the year and I wanted it to be very special, close to my heart, because I had a great experience in the year 2016, and it is probably because of the fact that I have such supportive people around, and I have such amazing friends around, and I have such an amazing infinite family like you guys. Now if you guys know, then 31st was my birthday, and on my birthday I have received an amazing surprise from one of my amazing friend. Her name is Jyoti, and yes, I've also received surprise wishes from all my YouTube friends, and the additional cherry was few of my infinite family member had also incorporated their wishes in that video. They have wished me on my Instagram and also all over YouTube, and this video is actually a thank you video for all of you guys, because I thought the best way to thank you guys is to answer each of those wishes you guys have made me. This was probably the best birthday I ever had, because I have never expected such an amazing surprise from like this. I did not. And thank you so much for all the love and support. I think that is the list I can do, to just appreciate the love and support I have received from all of you. I just introduce you guys to this amazing, nice, beautifully hearted beauty bloggers who are not only are self-made women but also are an amazing friend and a fellow YouTuber. So yes, I will also provide the links of all of them in the description bar, so please subscribe to them. If we are YouTubers, you are the people who make us an YouTuber, and it's your love and support which help us to grow each day. So yes, subscribe. That will definitely mean a lot to us.
Happy birthday to you. Hi guys, and welcome to everyone whoever is watching this. आज का video is a little different. It's for a special girl जिसका आज birthday है, and I know you are watching this. It's for you, Payal. I know you all know Payal from Beauty Infinite. I know you all follow her. You love her so much like I do. तो पायल का आज बर्थडे है, एंड आई वांट टू से यू हैप्पी 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 हैप्पीएस्ट बर्थडे माय इनसेन गर्ल. और आई नो कि आप ये गलत तरीके से नहीं लोगे, बट जस्ट अ डिस्क्लेमर, जस्ट मुझे बताना है, जितना मैं आपको जानती हूँ, आई नो यू आर नॉट दैट मटेरियलिस्टिक टाइप ऑफ पर्सन कि मुझे ये चाहिए, मुझे ये चीज़ से प्यार है, मुझे वो चाहिए, मुझे ये चाहिए. आई थिंक इट्स अ मेकअप. तो जो भी है, आई नो यू आर सच एन इमोशनल पर्सन. आई एम सॉरी कि मैं आपके बारे में इतना बता रही हूँ, बट आई नो you are such an emotional person and you are so passionate about your work and you love everyone so much, especially your Beauty Infinite members. तो मुझे इसलिए ये करना था. इस पूरे वीडियो का और कोई दूसरा मोटिव नहीं है, just because we all love you so much, और इसीलिए we have done something for you. हालांकि ये मेरा प्लान था, बट अब मुझे बोलना ही है कि विदाउट सबका एफर्ट ये बिल्कुल नहीं होता. मेरा इसमें बहुत छोटा सा हाथ है और बाकी सबका इतना हाथ है. सो दिस वंस फॉर यू माय गर्ल. कीप वाचिंग.
हैप्पी बर्थडे पार्टी. मुझे बहुत अच्छे से. आई लव यू. बाय.
First of all, Jyoti, I want to say that you really do not need to explain me that what is your motive and all, because I know you girl from very close, and I think I cannot believe that I could be, if you know me, then you know that I can become friend very faster. But friend like best buddies, sharing thoughts, sharing things and understanding each other is something very different, and I can see a person like, there is no words for you which I can describe. I mean I think that it's my blessing that I have received a friend like you. It's my blessing that I could interact with Jia, because she is such a sweetheart. So for my love towards you and Jia and is something which I cannot explain, and thank you so much that you took your time to do this, and this amazing surprise for me, because I feel that I really feel that you are talented as well. You are very very hardworking and strong woman. The very first day I talked with you, I told you the same thing, that you are an extremely strong woman, like each and every woman is. And yes, your strength sometimes gives me strength as well. So yeah, I am extremely blessed to have a friend and a YouTuber colleague like you, and I think everyone should have a friend like you. I truly think that. So lots and lots of love to you, lots and lots of hugs to you. Yeah, बाकी जो है ना वो बाद में मैं सामने दूंगी, मतलब कुछ गलत नहीं दूंगी, अच्छा चीज़ें दूंगी, पर सामने दूंगी. Love you so much, and yes, also wishing you and Gia a very very happy new year, and stay happy. Happy birthday to you, and hope you're having a blast. May God just bring all your wishes come true, and you have an amazing year ahead. So wishing you a very happy birthday from the bottom of our heart. Just have a blast and enjoy. Bye. Nidhi, thank you so much for such an amazing wish. I still cannot believe that you take out a time from your schedule to just wish me in this way. It was something really special. I think I'm really glad that I'm associated with you, not only as a YouTube colleague or something, but also as a friend. Whenever we come up with any sort of big collaboration plan, you are sort of the pillar which binds us all together with the creativity, thought, love and wisdom, and that is something which I really love about you and I respect about you, and I would love to meet with you someday, Nidhi, because I am a huge fan of yours. Thank you so much for sharing the love and giving and wishing me on my birthday. I cannot thank you enough. Loads of love.
Hi Payal, a very happy birthday to you. I hope you will get all the happiness in your life, and also a very happy new year to you and your family, and stay happy and love you. Bye.
Shomi, you were like a little sister to me. I am so happy to receive your wishes, and thank you so much for all the lovely wishes. Stay blessed, stay well, have a very happy new year ahead.
Hi Payal, this is Anvesha from Simple Tips Anvesha. I hope you remember me, and thank you Jyoti for this opportunity to make this video, be a part of a collaboration, and wish you happy birthday. So happy birthday my dear, and আরো বড় হও, ইউটিউবে আরো মানে দারুণ কাজ করো. You are very talented, a great beauty guru, beauty YouTuber. I really like you and your videos, and yeah, I hope to meet you soon.
Well, Anvesha, how could you say that if I remember you? Of course I do. I'm your fan. Please don't even think that. I love you so much. আমার নিজের পার্সোনালি মনে হয় তুমি প্রচণ্ড স্ট্রং, তুমি এমন টপিক নিয়ে ভিডিও করো which is very very inspiring and which is a reflection of an extremely strong and independent woman, and somewhere you inspire me a lot to be that strong and to be that independent of my thoughts and in the way I do my video. So yeah, thank you so much for all the wishes, and trust me, I'm telling you, along with Nidhi, you were someone I also want to meet so much that I cannot even explain. So yeah, thank you so much, and BTW, I love your eye makeup. I do.
Hi Payal, so this is Prerna here from Prerna Devanrai channel. So I hope you remember me. So here's wishing you a very very happy birthday. Enjoy your day, and wishing you the very best in life. Wishing you all the success here on YouTube. And this is your day, so enjoy, have fun. Bye.
Hi Prerna, first of all, thank you so much for being so sweet and loving, and thank you for your wishes. And I think we just met recently and we have done a collaboration. I absolutely love the way you do your eye makeup. I think you are an amazing beauty blogger. Have loads of fun in this new year.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday dear Payal. Wish you a very happy birthday Payal, and all the best for the future. I love you, I love your videos, and you're the sweetest person, and enjoy your day.
Thank you Vidhu for such a beautiful song. It was so sweet. I think you are so sweet. The day I meet you, probably the first thing I'm going to do is just like this, because I think you are so cute, and that is what I feel. And thank you so much for such a sweet wish, and it was really really nice and really, you know, overwhelming. And thank you so much. And yeah, I would love to meet with you someday as well, and hopefully we do have lots of fun together. And have a happy new year ahead, and stay blessed and stay beautiful always.
So I'm really sorry, Payal, if you are like already scared with this close-up of mine, but I cannot help it. My bed is super dirty right now. So the first thing that I want to say, okay, I don't want to make this sound like a video, like the typical videos that you guys make, but happy birthday. I am super excited to your birthday. I don't even know why, but I am. And keep making awesome videos, keep being the amazing friend that you are. And what else, I don't know, but I'm really excited. And before this video gets too long, I'll just like, you know, cut this short. And I love you, you know that, and I'm weird, you again know that, and I can't wait to meet you again, and I guess you know that as well. And God bless you, take care, love you, bye bye.
Okay, Devleena, I really did not get scared with the close-up of your face. I think your face is very cute, and trust me, I do the same trick when my bed is all messed up, so I can understand, you know. We are all in the same place, so we understand. So thank you so much for such a lovely and sweet wish. And yes, I am definitely excited to meet you again, and definitely hopefully we will meet again, because you are in Kolkata and I am in Kolkata, so hopefully we will meet and we will have a lot of fun. You also have a very happy new year with all of your friends, family and folks. Stay blessed, stay beautiful always.
Hey Payal, happy birthday babe. Have a wonderful day, enjoy your day and stay blessed. And you are one of those, you know, very important person in my life, and I'm not saying this for the sake of saying, but yes, you are. And you are one of my very good friends from YouTube, someone who's been helping me from day one. And yes, have a wonderful day, and I love you. And yes, you're very beautiful.
Thank you so much, Nuzahat, for such a beautiful wish. I think that you are a very talented blogger, and I think you have such a good quality to come up with topics which is really unique and which is really beautiful, sticking to your own way and own style, which is something very unique about you. And I absolutely loved to work with you. And yeah, I think everyone, it is not that I supported you only, it's that when we work with someone, both of us support each other, and we talk to each other, we understand each other and try to think the best for each other, and that's why probably we worked so well together. And yeah, that is all I wanted to say. I think you are an amazing blogger, you will do great and amazing, and it was amazing to work with you. And yeah, thank you so much for all the love, all the support, and yes, have a very happy new year ahead. Take care.
Hey Payal, happy birthday, and I hope you get all the success in life and you get more and more subscribers, and stay blessed. We'll see you, and yeah, bye.
Hey Shohini, thank you so much for all the love and support. And yes, I do remember the first day when we met at the Nykaa event. I think you are an amazing beauty blogger, and I'm so glad that you have wished me my birthday. It really made a lot to me, and wishing you also a very happy new year ahead with your friends, family and folks. Stay blessed and stay beautiful always. Love you loads.
Hey Payal, this is me, Shantini, wishing you a very happy birthday. And yes, I also have my sister over here who's gonna wish you birthday as well. So happy birthday! Yes, তো দিনটা খুব ভালো কাটুক, আর তুই যেন খুব মজা করিস, and just have a blast. Bye.
Shantini, I love your sister. She is so cute. तेरे से भी ज़्यादा क्यूट है वैसे, मैं बता देती हूँ, हाँ, इसलिए गुस्सा मत करना. By the way, thank you so much for such a lovely wish, and yeah, wishing you as well and your sister and your family, your friends, everyone a very happy new year. Stay blessed, stay beautiful, keep rocking always like the way you do.
Hello, this is Shaima from the Desert Rose Journals. I don't know how many of you all watching this video know me, but this video is about a person who is very special to not just Jyoti and me, but to all of us. So many people know her, and she is Payal from the YouTube channel Beauty Infinite. let's take advantage of this opportunity and show some love and gratitude towards this wonderful person named Payal. So I met Payal in 2016, earlier in the summer, when we did a collaboration, and we did collaborations even after that, but it is only in the past few months that I have gotten to know her better. And through her channel, I think anybody who is subscribed to her and knows her, even personally out of YouTube, knows that Payal is a person who is very transparent. You will not see anything that is fake or that is not real coming from Payal, from her words, her attitude, the way she styles herself, dresses herself, and just the way she carries herself is really inspiring. I think Payal's story and mine is kind of similar in the fact that we are self-made women, and she is a very good inspiration and role model for all those women out there who are going through a tough time. Payal is somebody who reflects that, and that's why I'm really proud to have known her from my YouTube journey, even though it has been a very small journey for me. In today's world of competition and jealousy amongst women, Jyoti, you decided to be different and encourage women empowerment, which is something I support. I want to thank Jyoti as well for being so considerate and taking this initiative of giving a precious gift as a token of love and gratitude to such a wonderful person.
मैंने नहीं बोला, ये मैंने नहीं बोलने के लिए बोला है.
Payal, we all love you. No matter what you face in life, no matter where your YouTube journey goes, we all know the real you. We know the reason why you are you. It's because you believe in yourself and you inspire others to believe in themselves too. You have taught me and a lot of us a lot, not just about makeup and beauty, but how to live on your own and how to make your mark with just what you have. Self-love is something that you reflect, and I thank you for that. Payal, this one's for you. Hope you have a blessed day, and I wish you a very, very happy birthday from the bottom of my heart. I hope that this year ends with a bang, and wish you more and more success, not just for your YouTube channel, but for your life. In the next year, may God bless you with a wonderful year ahead and several more wonderful years ahead. Love you. Take care. Have a nice day.
I actually do not have any words to say whatever you said. I think it touched my heart so much. I could actually see your eyes. I could actually feel your emotions when you were telling the part that we can connect each other. And trust me, babe, I feel the same thing. And I think that, you are a very strong person. The best part of you is that you are doing your videos with a very, very noble reason. Like, you always try to find out cruelty-free products, try to introduce them, research them, and I know how much hard work it must require to find out these brands and work with them. So you stand for a really, really noble cause. You just fight for your own cause. You are fighting for yourself, and in the process you are inspiring everyone. So if you say that I'm an inspiration, trust me, girl, you are an inspiration as well. And I love you so much. And I think I'm really, really happy that I have friends like Jyoti, I have friends like you, I have friends like all those amazing bloggers I've worked with till date. And yeah, you guys are a gem, and love you so much. Keep rocking, stay beautiful, and have a blast in the coming new year.
Hi Payal, how are you? Finally आज हम दोनों फेस टू फेस मिल रहे हैं. अभी तक हम सिर्फ YouTube और Instagram में ही मिलते आए हैं, दोनों के दोनों. और आज हमारे ना चैनल में एक स्पेशल गेस्ट भी हैं, छोटी सी. हाय देशा थापा.
Hi.
Say hi Payal auntie.
Hi, Payal auntie.
How are you?
Fine.
Say how are you auntie?
How are you, auntie?
तो आज हम दोनों मीन्स मैं और तेशा थापा आपको एक छोटा सा मैसेज देने आए हैं, एक छोटा सा क्यूट सा मैसेज देने आए हैं. और उससे पहले मैं बताती हूँ कि मैं आपको पिछले 5-6 महीने से आपको मैं फॉलो कर रही हूँ, वो भी ज्योति जिया लव के थ्रू. मुझे ज्योति ने बताया था कि आप उनकी काफ़ी फेवरेट है, मतलब आपकी वो फेवरेट है, आपको वो बहुत टाइम से फॉलो कर रही हैं. तो मैंने सोचा क्यों ना मैं भी आपको फॉलो करूं. और इंडियन यूट्यूबर्स से हैं ही हम दोनों, तो हम लोग सब फैंस भी बन जाते हैं, है ना? हाँ ना तेशा? तो मैंने आपका जब चैनल देखा, यूट्यूब चैनल, तो मुझे आपकी वीडियोस काफ़ी पसंद है। स्पेशली आपकी आई मेकअप, आप आई मेकअप बहुत अच्छे करती है। सीरियसली आपकी जो शेडिंग्स होती हैं मुझे बहुत पसंद है, काफ़ी पसंद है। तो चलो ठीक है, मैं काफ़ी बहुत सारी बातें नहीं करूँगी, छोटी सी बातें करूँगी। हम जल्दी मिलेंगे, आई नो हम जल्दी मिलेंगे ना। तो हम एक आपके लिए एक छोटा सा स्पेशल मैसेज लेके आए हैं। हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे डियर पायल, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू। हैप्पी बर्थडे आंटी बोलो।
हैप्पी बर्थडे आंटी।
पायल आंटी,
पायल आंटी।
फ्लैंक किस कर दो। Bye. See you soon.
Hi Manu, I think you are so pretty and your daughter is so cute. I would love to meet with you someday and would love to do videos and vlogs as well. And yeah, I would love to play with your daughter because I feel she's so adorable, like a cupcake. It was such a nice of you to wish me to take out your time on your busy schedule and to film this and send this to Jyoti.
Hey Payal, wishing you a very happy birthday. Stay happy, stay healthy, and loads of success to you in the coming year. And one more thing to add, have a blast today. Have a great party. And this lady who is collating all of this for you to wish you happy birthday, do take care of her because such friends are priceless. A very happy birthday to you again. Have a blast. Bye bye.
Jyoti did something which was amazing, and I feel that it is all of you guys who has helped her and worked with her to make this possible, whatever she wanted to give me, because what she did is something which is I cannot explain, and I cannot thank you enough for giving her that love and support. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for such a lovely wish.
Hello Payal, it's me Vartika. I'm here to wish you a very happy birthday. May God bless you with loads and loads of love, happiness, and may all your dreams come true. You're a wonderful person and I really mean it. I love you a lot.
Vartu, thank you so much for such a lovely wish. I think you are the most sweetest sis one person could ever have, and I absolutely love your voice. I think it's so calming. I mean, I literally could fall asleep because it just relieve all my stress. As all I can say, it's so nice. I love your voice, babe. And yeah, that's all I can say. I think you are an amazingly talented blogger. You do such hard work for your channel. I feel I'm so glad that I was able to work with you, and that makes me really happy, and I'm so glad that we are such good friends. So love you so much. Thank you for the wonderful wish, and have a really happy new year ahead.
Happy birthday Payaldi. Wish you all the happiness in the world. Love you. তোমার জন্য দুটো ছোট লাইন লিখেছি, আশা করি তোমার ভালো লাগবে। সূর্যের আলো হয়ে তুমি স্নিগ্ধ আকাশে, বিউরি হওয়াচর মেঘের উল্লাসে, গুনগুন করে সোনার রঙা পলাশে, জোছনারূপী পাখি তুমি ছন্দের বাতাসে। ঘুম থেকে জাগে সব ফুলের কুড়ি, প্রজাপতি ওড়ে যেন রঙিন ঘুড়ি। আশা করি তোমার ভালো লাগবে। আজ তোমার দিনটা অনেক আনন্দ, অনেক ভালোবাসা, অনেক শুভেচ্ছা, অনেক সুন্দর মুহূর্তে ভরে উঠুক এই কামনায় করে। লাভ ইউ।
Happy birthday Payali, many happy returns of the day. Ami Shagota, I really wanna meet you and Jyoti di. Really, I love you guys. খুব ভালো থেকো, হ্যাপি থেকো, সুস্থ থেকো। বাই।
হাই পায়েল, আমি তানিয়া, তোমার অনেক দিনের পুরনো সাবস্ক্রাইবার। যখন আমি সাবস্ক্রাইব করেছিলাম তোমার আই থিঙ্ক 200 কি 300 সাবস্ক্রাইবার ছিল হয়তো। এনিওয়েজ আমার তোমার কাজ প্রচণ্ড ভালো লাগে, লাইক প্রচণ্ড 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 তোমার ভিডিও আমার ভালো লাগে। আমি জানি না আমার ভয়েস তোমার কাছে কতটা অডিবল, বিকজ আমার প্রচণ্ড অডিও খারাপ। আমি জাস্ট তোমাকে বলতে চাই হ্যাপি 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 বার্থডে। খুব 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 এনজয় করো তোমার বার্থডে, অ্যান্ড আরও 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 অনেক বেশি তোমার সাবস্ক্রাইবার হোক, তোমাকে আরও অনেক সবাই ভালোবাসে।
जितना भी मुझे मेरे काम के प्रति, मैं पहले भी सीरियस थी, बट जो पुश एक ज़रूरत होता है, जो पुश मिला है, मेरे बाकी फ्रेंड्स भी है, बट यू आर ऑल्सो मेजर रीज़न, आई मस्ट से दैट। और कोई भी हम लोग के बारे में कुछ भी बोले, आई सीरियसली डोंट केयर। अगर आपको ऐसा लग रहा है कि मेरे तरफ से, बाकियों का मुझे पता नहीं, बट मेरे तरफ से कुछ ज़्यादा ये हो रहा है, तो आई जस्ट वॉन्ट टू से यू पायल, इट्स जस्ट माई स्मॉल वे टू से यू थैंक यू, क्योंकि आपने जितना मुझे बताया है, मुझे सिखाया है, मेरा काम को लेके आप बोलो, लाइक इवन शेड्यूल करना वीडियोस मुझे नहीं आता था, बहुत सारे ऐसे चीज़ें हैं, मैं पॉइंट आउट हर एक चीज़ नहीं कर सकती, बट यू हैव टॉट मी सो मच, यू हैव गिवन मी सो मच ऑफ सपोर्ट एंड लव एवरी टाइम जब भी मुझे ज़रूरत था। दिस इज़ जस्ट अ वे टू शो यू हाउ मच वी ऑल लव यू, नॉट ओनली मी, हाउ मच वी ऑल लव यू।
It was something very very sweet, you know. I'd like to thank all my beautiful and amazing Infinite family member for giving me such lovely wishes. I'd like to thank Jilik, Tania, Swagata, Shilpa, Meher, New Geek, Aisha. If I have missed out your name, please do not feel that I am not giving you important. Each and every one are equally important to me. I reply to all of you because all of your comment, each one of your gestures are very very important to me, very much. And for Jyoti, I can say one thing, that you are an inspiration to me. You have taught me how much strong a woman is. So yes, I have learned about strength, about woman power from you. So I am really proud of you, and I'm really proud that you are my friend, and I'm really glad that all of you guys are a part of my Infinite family. Whenever I receive such lovely gesture from you guys, it is really really overwhelming, because it feels that all that hard work what I do, it totally worth it. It just makes me feel very very happy. So I would like to thank all of you guys for that constant love and support, because I feel it is for you guys where I'm standing, what I am. You are the reason why I get all the courage and all the strength to better myself each day. And trust me guys, I appreciate each one of your love and support. So in case you do not find your name out here, do not think that I do not know you, because yes, I appreciate each and every one of you, and each and every one of you are a part of my Infinite family. So it's all of you which make the Infinite family possible. So thank you so much for all the lovely wishes, the gesture, the support, the comment, the feedback you have provided me till date. Even thank you is not enough for the amount of love you guys give me. I will try my best to improve myself and make better each day, so that things and videos with contents which I post are very very helpful for you guys. And yes, so that we connect with each other more, and we bond with each other more, and make this Infinite family more strong every day. So thank you so much guys. Stay blessed, stay beautiful, always take care. Bye.